Alright, Wu-Tang Clan.
Yo, yes. What's up?
Wu-Tang Clan, what's up? Give me roll call, Who's here?
Yo, Method Man on your point, kid, on point.
Master Killer is in effect. You got Ghostface Killer, Inspector Deck, Jizza, RZA, Old Dirty Bezza, U-God, Raekwon, and all the crew, Divine Justice, the God Freedom. Everybody is in the house, man.
That's right, y'all. Word up. I got to set it. Yo, give me a little bit of this shit. Yo, there's a rumor that an old lady heard her kingpin hiring a hitman to murder. Federal prosecuting drug dealing witness. But that's how it is in the business, and I'm in it. Physically gaining power, constantly counting up cash by the hour. Yo, and it feels good to be paid, regardless of how many victims get slayed. A concept is a mind, drop like flies. And then there's every day a homeboy dies with a shot to the body. A side knot in your Bacardi. Yo, cause it's a cutthroat party. And yo, it's up to me to retaliate. And if I score, I increase the murder rate. Yo, check it out, Master Killer. No one can get iller. Yeah.
Let's get some organization here.
I know what I'm saying.
Organize it then.
Psycho, bring some records in.
Organizer.
Alright, I went.
Kill that drench stuff, man. Kill that drench stuff, man, for real.
Yeah, this is Psycho here. He's brought some beats in. Psycho, Wu-Tang.
Shut up, Nut.
Psycho.
What up, Nut?
You crazy?
What up,
he's
Nut?
fucking crazy.
What up, Nut?
Yeah.
Yo, we on the air?
No, not yet. We're still rehearsing this shit.
Yo, you better catch it like this, cause this is the best way.
Oh, wait, we're rolling?
Don't do that dread shit. Don't do that.
Okay, we're rolling. All right, ready?
Mad what?
Yeah.
Now we've got the records. Now we can roll.
Yeah, man. Throw that shit on.
I wish I knew that.
That's the other Craig Mack shit. You can't cut, motherfucker. Cut like you dress.
Yo, mama, don't wear no drawers.
Like you colorblind.
I'm not gonna say shit here. You guys can just do it.
Yeah.
What's up with you, man? You with us or forget us, man? What's up, man? Sweating that horn piece and shit. You ain't in jail no more, yo. Hey, come on, baby. You know what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? So I should be a part of that shit too then. What? Y'all niggas out there lounging, you and Jizzle? What? You only get out of this shit what you put into it. Stop that shit, man. For real, man. That's alright, though. Go ahead, sweat the horn, Pete. And I seen you too step out, genius. Word up, man. That shit ain't even right, man. Or everybody should just drop their shit and don't do nothing.
That's how you feel. That's how you feel. Shit is real. Coming on down with the motherfucking sound. Coming through with the Wu-Tang Clan.
Yo, what's up? Let's do this shit. What's up, man? What's up, man? Okay, start it off. What we gonna do? We just rhyming? We just gonna rhyme? That's it? Alright, set it off. Get real, y'all. Get real. We gonna do it up for London, y'all. Alright, who gonna set it off? I'm gonna set it off.
Set it with one shot, bro.
Set it with one shot. Forget me not.
Nah, I'm gonna say meth shit.
Fuck.
Nah, say no shit.
I'm saying.
You gonna bring his ass in here, man.
Yo, Eugene, what's up, man? Ice T, look.
Eugene, get up in here, nigga.
Eugene.
Up in here and get your mic.
UG.
UT, right?
For real, make him come up in here.
UG. A man from another land. Alright, listen, fellas, seriously, we've got to sort this shit out, or else we ain't gonna get anything. Seriously, let's go.
Come on, Juji.
You gonna come in?
A man
Ice T.
Just kick it.
Yeah.
One
Two
with the Wu-Tang Clan in the house.
UG, a man with a destiny. To get cash money. He will stop at nothing. Nothing will stop.
Let me fuck the microphone, y'all. Check the joint. Yo. Shit. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo. Brothers try to pass me, but none can match me. No girl can freak me, I'm just too nasty. Crafty and wicked, sexually explicit. My mic's a whole win ID, I'm dick I can't be touched by crack corns for ducks. Call me he miser, I'm just too much. I roast and toast the MC that boasts. You wind up sin, ended with no wins. Just like a pole, I'm cold like the wind. Step to the and I freeze your friend. Calm you, bomb you, body slam and stomp you. Treat you like a toilet and sit upon you. MCs don't dare step in the square like a hooker in a lounger. You're corny in a chair. I don't care, no man makes me scared. Cause I rip and tear with a twist in my hair. Pom pom pom, on my dick I'm down drum. Lyrics hit your head by the pound of a ton. And run, run, run as fast as you can. You still can't catch the penny raid man. So say hot damn and then slam. Cause I smoke the mic with a bone in my hand.
Puff, puff,
Yeah.
puff.
Had it up, yo, I make like an angel and leave them in the dust.
Yeah.
And just you can trust the funky nut buster. Make your girl come and don't even touch.
Aha, yo mama. Yo mama.
What?
Yo mama.
Where the who?
Yo mama. Yo mama.
Yo mama.
Yo mama.
Yo mama.
Here we go, here we go. Yo mama don't wear no drawers. I saw when she took them off.
Come on,
Standing
Jack.
on the
Every
welfare
time he be
line,
trying to
eating
DJ,
fine, trying to
man.
look fine. Where the stank behind. You can have to blip and she'll tell you fast. Met the cow, got style with his nasty ass. Danger zone, coming mad, terror like whatever, we can get it on. Whoop is that? I'ma set it, yeah. Who that dirty rat? Bring them here to the mind bender. The death sender to your ear. Method, what up, boogers? Hood rats and no gooders. They beat the cow, wrecking rims with the 7th wonder shot. Bring it to the front, now bring it back to the head black when my soul train hits the track. Target the Billboard chart, don't get me started. The whole industry got gassed up and now they farted. My object of destruction is percussion. Rhymes I'm busting, got your whole block ducking. Damn, the end is here, apocalypse now. Getting Shaq, these will work it out. Sabotaging them cuts, Dak. Word up, man.
Word up, Dak.
The brand new flavor.
Yo, check it out, yo. Check it out, check.
I ain't done yet, man.
Check it.
I ain't done yet. I
Check
ain't done
it.
yet.
We'll get your nut, baby. What's up? You gonna bust a nut?
Yeah.
Come on.
Technique number 9. Is it really mine? Going through these changes. Fucking with my mind. Strangers. Occurrences got me puzzled, wondrous. I'm like Thor with my thunderous. Hardcore. Met the cow. Apocalypse effing now. The sky is falling. That means I'm coming effing down. What?
You got that shit, right?
Now, what's the problem? Brothers wanna solve them. Step to the square, oh yeah, beat the cow. Coming from the chalet now, out the dome with the hella pop freestyle. Now, what you wanna do? Standing at the 160 with my crew, the W to the U, tang, and that's the slang that the bring to your brain. Niggas know I gets down for the thing. What? You know the half. Got the wrath. I break your staff in half. Yeah, what up, brothers are strapped, ready for war on the ill block. Things just ain't peace no more. F it. If you ain't with me, then forget me. Brothers tried to stick me. Retaliation, no hesitation, shifty. Creeping brothers in the dog, triggers with no heart, ripping ass apart. I'll be swimming with the sharks now. Stay out my waters or it's manslaughter. Kid your order store, reaching for your nickel-plated order. Matic, my thoughts get sporadic. Loaded raps, busting mad shots to your addict. They say this hazard, this flow's a hazard. Straight from Hazard County with a bounty on his head. And the set wanted dead or alive. I swear by the whites of the eye, to never take a dive, I will survive.
Yo. Check it out, yo. I don't know where this begin, but it's begun. Niggas began to be gone. As I ascend, expand, extend to the point of no return. Even death is a lesson to learn. Only the dissatisfied could bring change, rearrange and maintain the solar system. Disappear but still be here, no one will miss them. Mind detect mind over 100% of the time. Actual fact, someone proved that has not been proven. 85% live in illusion, but I see the unseen and speak the unspoken. Fertilize your ear and plant the understanding. I never sweat the center of the cipher. I'd rather be on that. Yo, cuts is whack, man.
Hot time. Hot times, summer in the city. My people represent, get busy. The heat seeker on a mission from Hell's Kitchen. I get in where I fits in for head touching. Listen, enemy is the industry, got me flipping. I don't give a to that bitch and a nigga. I'm killing, sniping, catching murder cases. Desert storming, I be searching for oasis as I run the mile with the racers. Pulling swords, hit the billboards with a bullet. Peace to the number 7. Everybody else get my phone 9311.
MCs halt with my coat, start stomping. Thunder hits the land with the jolt. Your stamina level is low, like currents from the vaults of relentless punishment that multiplies at the speed that the naked eye can't detect. When I flip, I come swift like death.
Yeah. Bring that
Now you
shit
know.
in. Yeah.
36. Joint, check me out.
Check the joint,
Check me
y'all.
out.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Check it out. Cut it in, y'all.
You gotta blend it in right, you know what I'm saying?
And then, come on, y'all. Come on,
Psycho.
Come on, Psycho. Let me rock the microphone. Bitches, I'll never leave.
Just bring it in.
alone. Yeah.
Yeah,
check,
yeah.
Check it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, face.
Yeah.
Face.
Yeah.
I get some?
Yo. Yo. Yeah. Check the joint.
Come on, guys, you keep it real.
Fake
Word, I got
niggas.
your back.
Trap niggas.
Yo.
Yo, check out the hair, say fake niggas rocking the toupee, frontin' on GFK and it's dog day afternoon. I'm blowing up your weak platoon and leave you helpless, screaming for more types of wounds. I be the expert, blowing like a firework, converting concepts that with nerve-wrecking concert. Cause I write and blast and slash a whole level. I'm hold, I be challenging pros for gold medals, so whatever. Check the joint, y'all. Check the joint, y'all. Yo, I hold a mic at the beginning, let loose, see, like standing on the block rocking a kufi. Yo, this type shit is well battered to leave the sound man dead and capture the heads of niggas left flatted. Meet the black Tony Montana with extravaganza fans watch Vine play it like Joe Bananas. My brain is in the computer stage, stampede the stage and leave a rage black left in Harlem. Yeah, check the joint, check the joint, check the joint.
I'm here for your son. I'm here for your son. I'm here for your son. Check it out. I'm here. Here I come. I'm here for your son, I got your back. As long as you keep it real, word, I got your back. Brothers want the drama and don't know how to act until the chrome's pointed at his dome, head crack. Come on, let's keep it real, no disguise, recognize. I'm from a small town called nigga do or nigga die. That's why I'm stressing that brothers keep their thoughts on their lessons. Resurrect your mind from the essence. Yeah, on the L block, nigga get rocked like by the dozen. What up, cousin? I give a pound to my lounge, nigga. Peace, my mister. Killer Hills 10304 by the jizzer. Got me wide, it's going dizzer. I make my way for the ooh building. Now I'm chilling with the neighborhood villains, thug life. It be on now, hear the gunpowder. As I milk another cow, let the method show you how niggas do it. I study, live the life of good, bad, and ugly. Hard times call a nigga lovely, but that ain't nothing. Before I die, I'ma leave the world with something to remember me by. The real ZBI for you frontin'. Ass out rappers to capture, I rip your world apart like a natural disaster. I keep it live, something more than 85. I utilize my third eye, got me thinking maybe you and I should get together for whatever. You're never in your long leg, your life had it better. Then you got it now, we be lounging to cab. Word, son, I like your style.
Yeah, nonchalantly I roll up on the rap scene bluntly and lamp like I'm knocking off keys, collecting monthly. My nickel play the pattern of stacks, rips together. I build like I'm stacking the log to make a cabin. Running wild in midtown, hit the ground quick, y'all. Mad bodies being lost and found, no one can stop me. That's a sin, you know error. One thing, I bring the MCs and beat terror. Kick dirt on jerks and shit. I be the expert, catch a hole in your shirt, John. I do work. Ghostface, maxing in the Hall of Fame place. Suicidal blends that kick like North Lake. Surviving, crazy live when I flip the track. I hit a mama in the head with a bat, yo, and threw her head in the showcase. In the glass box with no case. Who did it? Tony Starks, y'all. Yeah.
Yeah, come on down with the hell of a sound. It don't get no better.
Check it out, yo.
I'ma save all the shadowiness from out the darkness. Pass the microphone cause I'm a heartless, starving artist. Coming with the hardest rock that you ever heard. Spread the word. Dirty to the curb cause my voice be cracking.
Yo.
Joint.
Check it out.
Yo, check my shit, check my shit, check my shit, y'all.
Cursing.
Yo.
Ghetto red hot. Check
me,
rip it down, rip it down. Huh. Ghetto red hot, rude boys licking shots in your area. Madman terror on your block, ruckus. 40 troublemaking gat busting head touches. Crooked cop and crack spot rushes. Nigga, it be the villain from the old building. That be ready and willing for a sound boy killing murder. There ain't nothing in the world that I ain't heard of or did to keep the hunger pain from coming back, kid. Check me. Everything around me, green, get the money, dollar, this whole clan, cash rules everything around me, green, get the money,
Yo, check the banging and sounds that I invent. Fake niggas who try to flex hard came and went, they couldn't match up with the fly nigga with his back against the wall. Heads clock, once I came in the door, I played the speaker, sipping on Kahlua. Saw that bad bitch with a switch, and yo, I had to step to it in a manner. The matter was the current was wrong. No, it's it was on. Yo, check the joint. Yo.
Put that shit on, man. I'ma say some old fast rhyme, man. Say some fast.
Yeah.
Bust it. Bust it. Bust it. Bust it.
How I go? You go like this.
Check it. Check it. Admit I'm legit, kick that old Wu swang. Yeah. Admit I'm legit, kick that old Wu swang. That man on some shit, blowing niggas out they frame. My chain, like the effing Weber, whatever. More bitches, more bone, more biscuits, more better. Drops more shit than diarrhea. A thug of a home bug like Ebenezer. Screwed, spark the meth and drink booze. Son, I be Top Gun like Tom Cruise. So check me, your demolition crew couldn't wreck me or get me off your faggot ass when you test me. Damn, the method blunt be calling me. The man, brothers ain't got the balls to be. So chill, I recognize my clique from the hill. Wu-Tang Clan never ran, never will. Feeling on out like a beamer across the Verrazano on my way to Medina. Stay out the way or you might get slayed. Blown out your frame by your Wu-Tang grenade. How you like me now, coming down like the living dead. This is from the underground. Damn Skippy, your reservoir hit me with that funky shit that always seem to get me. Open like a crackhead who be token on a crack stem. Hey my friend, what you smoking? There, is it meth? I smell in the air. Yeah, when you're done there, pass it here. Bana, your mama, piece the Capadonna, lounging in the sauna and we're smoking marijuana. Your honor, can I get a witness? What is this? Brothers exercising their rights without the fitness. Oh, watch me flow, come tippy toe on the down low and well, steal your show. Ladies say ah, niggas say ho, baby get the burners cause I'm about to blow that ass out the frame. Chain proper, yo I'm gonna get ya. Get it, gotcha.
Poetry in motion coming at you like orca, the verbal assaulter for all your sleepwalkers. Man, I'm not playing. I kick the rough shit that we slaying to get more money like Damon Wayans. Time to break back and bring the roughneck rat back and sell out to get blown off the mat. So I come packing like a soldier attacking the commercial rapping. Cause that shit's not happening and I'ma tear it up like we used to tear it up. Roar like Colombian coke without the cut. Swinging with the flavor like a tennis player. Cause I rip up floors and cause psycho behavior. I make you bust shots in the air, scream yeah. Well ladies say ow, while I milk this cow. And yo, it ain't no stopping me now. Got the street pump, so throw the tape in your Jeep and let the beat pump. Pop the trunk, then spark the blunt. Let the rhyme get you open like Mike on the dump. Cause I bounce the microphone daily. What? To make you dance like your name is
Alvin, Allen, Thoughts zero, sweat, Mr. Meth. Yeah, check it out again, yo. Thoughts roll off me like sweat, Mr. Meth. Got the ill rhyme for you one time through your back. Shall I place your chest under cardiac arrest and get open on you like a rule that was made to be broken by a roughneck, nigga? I'm shifty, sick G. I think my old earth slipped a Mickey and my similar like Ice-T. I don't know how to act when I fiend for a track by the RZA. What's up, my nigga? Killer Hill 10304 by the Jizza got me wide. It's going this.
Yeah.
What?
Throw that next one on. One more.
Oh, check it out. Wu-Tang Bang, here I come. Yo, ho, ho, and a bottle full of rum. Straight out the slum Shaolin. Dope, I clog up your throat like phlegm. Then I break you in like shoes. Or leave by button fly 501 blue jeans. Know what I mean? A rough neck, head, but in the bed, I'm rough sex. Yeah, cootie in the chair, put it there. Money, I get more honey than the bear. Skin and like Flynn, check the method. Man, well goddamn, I gets hectic. Good, knock on wood, I feels naughty. Damn, I'll dry eye again past that 40. Ooh, check 1, 2. Dan Tanner, my brother. Here's another bad man, my jammer. Ah, the ghost face killer and the Fool Man Chew coming through. What you niggas wanna do? Huh? Nothing. While I be puffing the fat meth bone, then I pass it on contact. Dirty like Harry, or death was like Bronson. Got it going on, I'm a dawn like Johnson. Like C. Brown, there it is, baby Paul. Or like the rap and Duke, the hall. Grab your 6-shooter now, draw.
Oh, yeah, second. 1, 2, 1, 2. We gon' keep it real, keep it raw, and all that, and all that,
flipping
and
like
all that.
Mary Lou Retton.
Check the joint up.
Tossing, forcing, quite toxic. As I rock it, I knocks it out the pocket, plug it in the socket, never ever mock it. Play it too close, show I might have to cock it. Then hold you hostage in a little cottage. Internal bleeding causes blood clottage.
Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, check it. Yo, I make moves, shake, stomp, and groove, and make it hit the roof like shit was on fire. Sire, leave a nigga stranded on the street called Desire. Well, I attack you with the rapture. Time after time I seem to blow your mind. Steady wrecking shot for props, so give me mine. See, the only way you can define my sound is I get down for my crown. To make it simple and plain, you know I came to blow the microphone out the frame and get points in the game. I write a rhyme, the pen blows the book in. Rhymes I design, be good as home cooking. In my rapping, this happened to make my pockets fatten. From the allostatin, killer hell, to just examine my skill. The two competitors and I fire at will. So proceed with caution when I be tossing competitors into coffins, cause I torture niggas.
I grab the mic and I damage ya, crush your whole stamina. Here comes the medical examiner. One verse, niggas out for the count. Bring the ammonia, make sure we sniff the right amount. Wake them up and then ask them why they he attempt this. Competition, they get their ass kicking so tremendous. Boy, you know you shouldn't bother this. Leave me alone like your son said, G, or he'll be fatherless. I got the Asiatic flow mixed with disco. Up on the scene like the Count of Monte Cristo. And them C's start to vanish. I rolled up on a Jack Black kid, started speaking Spanish, but Joey wasn't from Panama. Asked him how we get so dark, the nigga said, son, Panama. He responded so fast, he made me laugh, ha 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 ha, and I scared his ass. Punkin', on the window drawn by deadly metal. On them into the Wu-Tang. Witness the Shaolin slang that'll crush the shit you bring. And watch your ass take a big pull. Why? Cause my main source is like a friendly game of stickball. And as you step up to Batman, I play the Riddler. Try to Jew me for a rhyme and I'll change the Hitler. And go out like a Nazi. You be wishing your faggot ass stayed home and played Yahtzee. Or wrapped in happy days sweating posse. With Raul, Richie Cuttin and Joni and Chachi. Me getting wrecked till I'm through. Like a 10.5 foot fitting in the 7 shoe. Now picture that with a Minota. Have your ass doing some night fever shit like John Travolta.
And you don't stop, cause I grab the mic and leave competitors shot. With 1 round of sound, I leave niggas shot down. So test me if you want, I make you skip town. Like Butch Cassidy, with niggas chasing after me, trying to blast me.
Yo, second war is deep and deadly. Me and Rakim is a mixture like spaghetti. Thoughts are too sick, too ill, crazy wild. All we need right now is Teddy Rao. Style is thick like grease in your hair, and every root you comb, I got a rhyme there. Flag a cat and fat and stack ya. Now if you see me say peace and I respect ya. Fry you in Crisco, escort you from a disco. Yo, you caught the munchies, go home buy Nabisco cookies. My word life, you're a rookie, but yet, kid, you have nothing on the vet. I tease. Is it me, Raekwon, the poet that scored with the sharpening sword?
This shit is raw coming at your door. You start screaming out loud, the Wu-Tang's back for more. You know the hour's for.
I told you before.
So what's up?
Thoughts tight and your hands got sore.
Hey, yo, no, I'm not weak. I fucked it up last week. Remember that hype shit? Emerge when I speak. So no, I won't bust, cause in the law we trust. Hey, yo, this shit be hype, so don't you mistrust. No, I don't swine with no Calvin Kleins or no Bill Blast, who gets on my ass, but yo, I provide for my man to cut the side, store it in the attic, yo, maintain static. Then I discuss, I fuck your head up, then I release a piece, Ray Cats to cut.
Yeah.
What you want? What you want? Ha! What you want? What you want?
So what you
Rappers
want?
couldn't wait for the styles of the greats. I put the pump on and thump on the tape. Patty cake, the penny weight, man. Put ass in the smash it as fast as I can. Hard to the dome like a stone microphone. I'm bad to the bone, to the bone. Prone to the throne and the king has a swing. Right to the left, then the step to his queen. Cause I'm the daddy, they gladly will bag me. Why? Cause I'm crafty, not trashy, but nasty. Pass me, you're crazy. Niggas can't phase me. Yo, I'm a pro when that flow don't amaze me.
Somebody said it's on, if it is, then I'll be set to blow a nigga up with the 5 fingers of death. I bring it to his whole damn fam. Understand if you're frontin' on an man down with the clan, I'll be coming. For that headpiece, you can't go for my niggas. I kill a killer poke, word of mother, serial killer staff from the Yale of Shaolin.
People saw you with me, where you at?
It's getting deep in here. I'm in like flint. Niggas looking all at my fit ace like they want dick. It's about to hit the fan, hit the flow. All I can stand,
and I can't stand no more. What is it? Niggas gonna think bigger because they got their finger on the trigger of a biscuit. They don't know I'm wicked. When I start to kick it, eat they raw sound, wash it down with a mixtape. Better yet a snapple. Nigga want the juice, but they don't want the hassle. So they try to overthrow their castle. Better yet the temple. Come into your town, black down. The rental, car, the pistol, God. If you don't wanna burn from the block, then beware. A buck shots meaning what? The buck stops. Yeah. No more dough will be made unless it's being made by who? The Eminem sound.
All them people.
Get it now. It hit no doubt it bad.
Yeah. So ain't no doubt about it. I make you shout it. Get you open like you was on some Guinness Stout shit. Can't stop the flow. Respect the big hazardous you don't know.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder where you are. Probably in some nigga's car. Acting cute, sweating his loot. And all he wanna do is just knock your boots. What's that? What's that?
Stupid. Yeah, yo. Pieces deep like sharks up in the seas. Can't realize you can't fuck with me. The rebel INS can't forget the PEC. TAH, I flip to daybreaks. Making headaches and heartbreaks when my art takes place. No, you know the hits taking place. Mask on my face, black down in the staircase. 3-5 on the roof, bulletproof, 90 proof. Getting crazy drunk with the skunk plus the White House. You know my style, it's nighttime, the right time. Anywhere, cause I don't care, niggas just stare. Stand by the stage and compare, but can't get near or interfere. Thoughts that be sharp like a spear.
Move them out, stick it up, draw high.
Yo,
check me out, check me out.
Chill.
You wanna, huh?
Chill.
Why you throwing on that shit?
You want a blunt what? Step up and get puffed. If you're feeling lucky, then press your blood.
What? The pressure blood clot. The pressure blood clot. What?
Hold up. You want a blunt what? Then step up and get puffed.
Nah, man.
You want a blunt what? Then step up and get puffed. No, I got the perfect rhyme. I just took a toke off some Shaolin smoke. Weed ain't no joke, ask your old folks. I just left it, but I'm not yet addicted. If you only knew what I went through to get it. Said I'm gonna stop, but I knew I never quit it. Then have to get stressed by your fucking cess critics. Thinking, should I go to Franklin and Lincoln? Because they bags is fat, but last time they was tapped. Never told mom, but she knew in the long run. She always used to say you're hanging out with the wrong one.
You said Franklin and Lincoln. What is that, Franklin and Lincoln?
Franklin and Lincoln.
Franklin and Lincoln and stinging it. Cause I gets down, but I don't claim to be a damager. But a professional, blow holes in an amateur.
Just took the toke, that's how we smoke. And if I choke, the weed ain't no joke.
Met this chick on Myrtle Avenue.
Said that she was, met this chick too on Myrtle Avenue. Said that she was fertile and that she was having 2 kids by Big Ben. Oh, him again? When he was broke, she wasn't even trying to see him. Now she wants to get into his pocket for some ends, that's no friend. But now he's Big Ben, so she wants to dig into his pockets for some ends. Yo, that's no friend. That's fact. Animal, half man and half animal.
Taste the southern pride.
No, don't even put that shit on. You got to be out your mind. We ain't southern pride. I'm like House of Pain when I beat a nigga jaw through his brain.
London, y'all. London broil you. Niggas know when I get hot, I start the oil.
Yo, Vaughn, I want everybody per diem. I want that nigga sitting down right. I want his per diem. Jizzle Mac, Chef Dougie,
check the hop, check the hip,
and that's it. Everybody else's piece. I want them niggas per diem.
My man, peace trend, word up, my man Chester in the house, y'all. You wanna rock the house? No
Come on, man, let me get real. Let me
y'all. London Royal niggas.
Yo, all I
Shit, yeah, joy. Throw my man Jizzle Mac back on. What to do? What you gonna do?
Yo, hold on. We gonna get serious.
Shobo. I slap my man with his gun. Kiss his woman, this is mama, and don't even run. And that's bold.
Come on, man, for real. We gonna get serious now. All right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go first. You go second. You go third, and then we fucking battle.
All right.
All right. Organize this shit, not nigga.
Organized crime.
Yeah. What do you want to do? Because we can go on as long as you want, but it's up to you.
All right, we're about to end it right now. This is like a dick snorkel right here.
What do you get ready to throw on? What do you get ready to throw on the turntable?
Joint get cold, the dick snorkel, right?
Yo, what do you get ready? What do you get ready to throw on the turntable?
You got a bone goose.
What you throwing on the turntable, man?
The bloody truck.
The bloody truck.
Throw on the bloody truck.
What you throwing? What are you throwing on the turntable? What song?
Hold up, you bloody.
I can't hear you, man.
And touch my mic, you bloody bastard.
Ready to be out?
Pull your shoes up.
Pull your shoes up, you bloody bastard.
Pull your shoes up.
All right. Sign language, you said it
Nah,
all.
man, no. Check it out, man. What you got on there right now, we gonna take it out.
What I did, wait.
Ghostface gonna take us up out.
That's fast or slow?
Yo, kick that girl around.
Him not kick that. Him not kick that.
What?
Yo, man, throw that Jizzle Mac shit on.
Throw that genius thing.
Yeah, hurry up, where you go?
Tone the ride. Alright. Yo, let me do this drop real quick. Don't nobody, we're gonna do this drop real quick. Hold on, do this drop.
Put it on, man.
We gonna do this drop. It's on, nigga.
Hold
on, we gonna do this drop real quick. Hold that door, baby. We gonna do this drop and shit.
Hold up.
Hold up.
I hear you. I hear myself, man.
Come on, yo, man. I'm saying though, he ain't playing the music because we about to do this drop.
It's not on. I'm trying to fucking tell
The music ain't on because we're doing the drop. We're doing the drop. That's why they had the music off. We're doing the drop. We're doing the fucking station identification shit.
Get the fuck out of here, man. Fuck this.
Yo, I do it by my goddamn self then. Get the fuck out.
1, 2.
Tony Starks.
Go ahead, man. You gonna do it.
Sick dick. How you say it?
Tunderai.
Tunderai, right?
I was drinking Tunderai the other day.
Yo, this is the method. Yo. This is the method, man. Yeah, I ain't agree. Fuck y'all niggas. Yo.
You say it, man.
I thought you was saying it.
I'm
nigga.
saying we all of this fucking Wu-Tang, man. They ain't just fucking me.
You got the fucking paper. I don't know what the fuck is
I'm
with that
saying
shit.
the nigga name. I just give you identification.
All right, go ahead, man. Go ahead, man.
All right. Yo. Well, I want everybody per damn. Fuck that.
You bloody bastard.
Tunderai, right? Tunderai. Yo. Peace, yo. This is the method, man.
Master Killer.
Shalal Raekwon.
Respect on the set.
And we be the Wu-Tang Clan, you know what I'm saying? Cooling with my man Mark Tunderai on Radio 1 in the UK. Word up, 97 through 99 on your FM dial, baby.
Lounging in London.
Take that to the bank to go get some pounds.
Pounds rule everything.
Yeah.
Big bloody biscuits, man.
Yo, check this out. Hold on, get this drop right here. This is my Dolo shit right here.
Nah, man.
Watch, man. Shut up, man.
Why you gotta be individual, man?
Cause this some funny
I'm
shit.
fucking it up.
Yo, this is Method Man. If I ain't eating a 50-piece wing dinner with my homegirl Roseanne Barr, I listen to my man Mark Tunderai, Radio on UK. Selassie High.
Talking about me sounding whack. That
Word.
shit's mad fucking whack.
man,
Fuck
Crazy,
shit,
that
man.
shit was fat.
It was like
bullshit.
That shit you was saying sounded mad fucking wiggity,
Listen,
trying to
man,
name
listen.
niggas' names and
Listen,
shit.
like a
listen,
fucking-
man.
Bald head dread.
You sound like
Yo, throw
a
the beat
fucking...
on.
Yo, man, it's the Wu-Tang Clan representing you.
Bloody bastards!
Yeah, do that.
Chilling with my man Mark Thunderide. You know what I'm saying? Coming straight out.
Radio 1!
Stop going over me like that.
You bloody bastard! I had your bloody ass taken from the flagpole in the morning.
We have to wipe your blood
Check
with
it
the
out, y'all.
rod.
Check it out. Yo.
Wipe your blood clot.
Clan, y'all. Representing straight out of New York City. Chilling with my man Mark Thunderide. On the what? The banging station in London. Act like you know. Word out.
Wipe your blood clot.
Yeah.
Radio 1, man.
Yo, I got you. Yeah. Niggas don't know the half when I hit them off with my staff. I get down with my bad ass, see me get down with my bad ass. Now he Inspector Dexter on the left, the master killer, thriller from Manila with the ghost face, the bass, Raekwon the chef, Mr. Meth, the U-Jism, then the Jeezer, the Jizza, and then the RZA, coming back to get the Stitzer. What up, my mister? Don't be cutting me off, man. I'm trying to keep it real in here, man. Y'all niggas is playing, man.
Y'all niggas is cutting everybody the fuck off, man.
Word up. I'm about to get this last nut.
Yeah.
What you want, nigga. So what you want, nigga. So what you want, nigga. So what you want, nigga. Come on, man. Come on, G. Stop that shit, man.
If you want to man, if you want to chat, but the chat with the new year.
Come on, man. For real, man.
Lucid. Man,
You ain't want to get on the mic, nigga.
Rappers crossing over to that R&B jinx. Walking around town like your shit don't stink. Take it from me. Hey, G, you don't amaze me. Shot me at point blank range, but only graze me. Nothing meant to, just plain and simple. Lyrics that you bust couldn't bust a fucking pimple. Come here, kid. What? Let me tell you something. You're like change up a penny. Nothing. Wham. Oh, shit. Goddamn. Skippy hit me. Man, I get slammed. Better yet, hectic. Wreck shit. I'm rowdy. Like Alexis. Check this. Be outy. Tippy tim. Tippy tar. Tippy tum. Direct from the Shallon slum. Here I come. Straight from the cock. I'm dead up, I put it in your ear and fuck your whole head up. Wu-Tang slang bang up your butt cracking straight from Staten. Silky like satin, used to wreck clicks with stones and sticks. Nowadays we do it with the Max and clips.
Method.
Man.
Yeah, this is the Wu-Tangs coming straight from the UK.
Back on there.
We definitely in the area. No
Brothers gonna
doubt.
rush to get the guard
London,
degree.
we
They
love
wanna
y'all.
rush to get the
Peace.
guard degree. Yeah, that's right, damn it. See that? See, Vaughn, you see what I'm saying, man? Niggas is clowns, man. Straight up and down. They didn't want to get taken seriously.
That shit,
You know what I'm
man.
saying?
Fuck that, man. Just lay that motherfucking fizz out, nigga.
Yo, check me, coming on down. Yo, check me, coming on down. I'm at the radio, 197.99 FM, blending in. I be the Metical, my friend. 528 on your FM dial. Niggas know the time, they know the rhyme. The cow, oh yeah. Once again, yeah, coming on down. The side warfare, check me. Disrespect me, I don't think so. Metical, man, that goes with the flow and I have to. Yeah, side warfare, all in there. Niggas know my cut, my hair. What? You wanna fuck with the shit? Now get your mat. Hey, he got the weed on him out, man. Peace, man.
Yeah. This is the Wu-Tang Clan. We definitely in the area for the Radio 1, UK, London, we in the house. Peace.
Yeah, you don't stop. Because I grab the microphone and leave amateur shot. My nigga golden arms frozen calm. Hold the